Want to speed up slow iPhone without reset? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to speed up slow iPhones without reset. First thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now on your settings, scroll all the way down and find the option of apps. Tap on that. A list of all the applications on your iPhone will be shown. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Now scroll all the way down, then tap on Advanced. Here you will find website data option. Select that. Now go ahead and tap on Remove All Website and Data, then tap on the Remove Now option. This is going to delete all the website data from the Safari app. Once that is done, the next step is to open up Messages. Go ahead and open up the Messages app, then tap on these three lines. Now select the Recently Deleted option. Now, if you have piled up lots of recently deleted messages, then you want to clear them up. For that, tap on this delete icon at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on Delete 3 messages. Now, this is going to free up some storage of messages. Now, for next step, you want to launch Open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now select Location Services. Scroll down and tap on System Services. Now find the option of Significant Location and select that. If this option is toggled on, simply toggle it off. Go ahead and tap on the Turn Off option. Now by following these steps, you will be able to speed up your slow iPhone, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.